Guys, napaka-fluffy and smooth ga. Yummy. So, good afternoon to everyone guys. Gagawa tayong rice cake or air fryer rice cake or called bibingka. Simple and easy. That is my own recipe. So, ito yan guys. Mayroon akong 1 cup na rice flour and 2 teaspoon na baking powder. Yan. And then, 1/4 na sugar. Nasa sa inyo na guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa matamis, pwede nyo gaming 1/2. Sa akin, I don't want to build the, yung napaka-sweet. And then, mag-additional lang tayo a little bit. Salt, not much. Then, and then, i-add natin yung 1 cup na milk sa can guys. I-add lang natin, halo lang natin. Yan. Hanggang mahalo ito. Ito ang napakasarap and simple and easy and yummy. Kailangan madiskarte para makakaon tayong masarap na pagkain na dessert ng ating pamilya. So, ito na guys. Ihalo lang natin hanggang lang siya mahalo. Yun. Nahalo na siya. I-ano lang kaunti lang natin. Ganon. And then we are going to do, mag-add tayo ng egg. So, 1 egg here, I add the egg to make it my bibingka yummy. Yan. Hindi na tayo mag-additional ng hindi tayo mag-additional ng oil dahil ang ginamit natin coconut milk. Pwede kayong gumamit na yung coconut talagang niyog, pero sa akin nasa can, wala naman dito kabili guys. Yung ganyan lang guys. Lang, continue lang. Halo-halo lang natin. Yan. So, this is it guys. And then, mayroon akong baking foam dito. So, ilagay natin yung baking foam ko is hard. And ilagay natin yung, yan. So, i-air fryer natin ito. Baking foam ko guys, naka-brush ng butter. So, i-air fryer natin. Tingnan natin in 30 minutes and 140. So, air fryer natin guys, yung bibingka natin guys. So, and then in 30 minutes and 140. This is my air fryer rice cake with coconut guys. It's done 140 and 40 minutes. Tikman na natin guys. Napaka-fluffy and smooth ga. Yummy. Sarap dahil. Kain tayo guys.